Maintaining a healthy, well-balanced diet is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Every day, your body demands the energy it needs to keep you functioning during the day. In addition to maintaining power, your body also requires nutrition for proper growth and development, which will allow you to remain strong and healthy while also reducing the risk of diet-related diseases. Scope Care was founded to assist carers, family, friends, and patients undergoing and recuperating from major heart surgery. It is a specialized organization that focuses solely on the cardiac rehabilitation process, providing healing gardens, online resources, meal plans prepared by medical and healthcare professionals, and counseling and support for patients and their loved ones on a holistic recovery journey. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel, as it is now time to talk about mindful eating and a healthy diet. Mindful eating. Mindful eating focuses on a person's consciousness of the meal and their personal experience with it. The goal of mindful eating is not just weight loss, but some individuals who practice this way of eating may lose some weight. The primary purpose of this approach is to urge people to fully engage in the eating experience by allowing them to enjoy the moment and their meal. Rather than focusing on the result, practicing mindfulness is a systematic process. Since it is subjective, it is based on a person's perception of the eating experience. In this case, the individual is more focused on savoring their food rather than controlling their intake. Mindful eaters decide what and how much they consume on their own. It is not a coincidence that under mindful eating, people tend to eat less, savor their meals more, and choose foods that are good for them. Mindful eating may not fit as an eating style to some, but many people have discovered that individuals can be in sync with their bodies and less stressed out through eating in this manner. Practicing this can help you avoid binge eating and achieve a better diet and lifestyle. So you can also benefit from the enhanced well-being of eating a healthy diet. The power of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are something that most of us avoid. What it is that prevents us from enjoying these healthy meals is a real puzzle. People have their justifications for avoiding these naturally healthy foods, and they are all valid. Several people have expressed a dislike for fruits and vegetables, or they are unaccustomed to consuming them. Busy people frequently claim that cooking vegetables takes too much time, and that as a result, the veggies decay before they can eat them. But why do we have to eat healthily? Remember that fruits and vegetables do not bring miracles, and vegetarians are not invincible to diseases and even death. But fruits and vegetables, coupled with physical activity, are the closest comparison we will get to a magic pill for preventing illnesses. A nutritious diet promotes optimal development in children, lowers the risk of developing chronic disorders like obesity. Teenagers and adults who consume a healthy diet live much longer lifespans. They are at lower risk of malnutrition, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain illnesses than those who do not practice a healthy diet. People who suffer from chronic diseases can also benefit from eating nutritious foods to control their condition and inhibit further complications. Hey there! I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. You can also let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Debunking myths about macronutrients. Carbohydrates, fat, and protein have long been regarded as the enemy of the masses, particularly among those attempting to reduce weight and fight cardiovascular diseases. Nonetheless, there is a significant uncertainty as to what they are and how they function. If you ask someone what the best food is, they will almost always say fruits and vegetables. However, when it comes to fats, carbohydrates, and protein, most consumers are in the dark, having been misled by highly advertised diet ideas and debunked scientific studies. Myth number 1. Fat is bad. This myth oversimplifies the different types of fats that we ingest in our diets, and this myth should be corrected. We usually believe that eating food that contains fat is harmful, yet this is not the case. As it turns out, some fats, specifically the unsaturated fats abundant in olive oil, canola oil, and some other vegetable oils, nuts, and oily fish, such as salmon and sardines, are highly beneficial to your health. But on the other hand, artificial trans fats are the ones that are detrimental to the health of your arteries and overall well-being. Trans fats derived from synthetic sources can be found in margarine, commercially baked products, and vegetable shortening food. A healthy amount of saturated fat, which can be found primarily in red meat and animal fat, in plant oils such as palm and coconut oil, and full-fat dairy products, is somewhere in the middle. It is okay if consumed in moderation, but this can be dangerous if consumed in large quantities. Consuming healthy fats in proportion will help you maintain good cardiovascular health. Healthy fats also increase your body's ability to absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids can help lessen inflammation, improve memory, and even support healthy pregnancies when consumed in tiny amounts. Myth number 2. Weight gain is caused by carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of 3 primary building blocks, also known as macronutrients, that comprise all food. Carbohydrates are also known as simple sugars. The other 2 components are protein and fat, and these macronutrients are necessary for the functioning of the human body. Contrary to the widespread assumption that carbohydrates cause weight gain, dietitians believe that carbohydrates can help in an individual's weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. Carbohydrates have a high amount of fiber. Fiber keeps you feeling full and energetic, and without it, you will not have the energy to engage in physical activity, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. But how can we say that one is a better carbohydrate source than another? Consuming whole grains and other gradually absorbed carbs can help reduce the highs and lows associated with blood sugar and insulin levels. They also provide fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and other phytonutrients essential for good health. Most studies prove that individuals who eat whole wheat are less likely to develop heart problems or diabetes and suffer from heart attacks or strokes. Myth number 3. Whey protein intake is all about muscle. Protein must be consumed daily for cells to heal and regenerate. The benefits of this nutrient are diverse, including aiding in losing weight, decreasing cravings, boosting bone health, lowering blood pressure, and other advantages. However, a common misconception is that the more protein you consume, the more muscle you gain. This is not generally true because in most cases, protein diets are beneficial in muscle building and avoiding heart problems. Eating protein instead of readily digested starch helps lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and other cardiovascular complications in the bloodstream. Higher protein diets, particularly those that contain more protein derived from plants, can provide some protection against heart disease. Aside from maintaining heart health, protein also plays a significant role in weight loss. It has been shown that consuming protein rather than refined carbs can help you feel fuller for more extended periods, or that the body expends more energy processing protein than it does consuming carbohydrates. Some trials have discovered that a high-protein diet can help some people to reduce weight more quickly and keep it off for a more extended period than a low-fat diet. Protein keeps you feeling full for a longer period, which helps to reduce your appetites and increase your metabolism. Better diet for your heart health. Being diagnosed with heart disease can also have an emotional impact, altering your attitude, perspective, and living standard. While maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy heart, the foods you consume also have an impact. Dietary factors play a significant role in the development of coronary heart disease. A diet low in saturated fat, rich in fiber, and high in plant foods can significantly lower the chances of heart disease. For you to maintain a heart-healthy diet, learn to identify the types of fat you consume. Instead of avoiding them, replace bad fats with beneficial fats. A diet high in healthy fat can lessen your risk of cardiovascular disease and improve your blood cholesterol levels. Daily consumption of fish such as salmon, trout, and herring, or plant-based omega-3 fatty acids such as kale and spinach or walnuts is recommended for optimal health. Olive oil, avocados, almonds, and nut butter are also good sources of healthful fats. In addition, reducing high-risk foods for heart disease such as saturated fats should be accompanied by a switch to heart-healthy options. It is possible to improve your heart health by switching out processed meats for fish or poultry products. Aside from unrefined whole grains such as whole wheat or multigrain bread, other healthy options include brown rice, barley, quinoa, bran cereal, and non-starchy vegetables. Last, lowering bad cholesterol and providing heart-healthy nutrients can be achieved by eating a diet rich in fibers. Fiber leads to a long-lasting feeling of fullness that helps you to eat less, since it stays in the stomach longer than other foods. As a result, less fat is taken into your body when you eat a lot of fiber. And if you eat a lot of fiber, you will be more energized to work out as well. We have learned so much about how our eating habits affect our heart health and our overall health. Are you ready to take the next step? Try a new way of living? That's all for today's video, and I hope you learned a thing or two from us. Leave a like and share this video with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthcare tips and heart health videos like this one. Again, this is Scope Care. See you next time.